Welcome to Colbert's Fam. I'm Keith Colbert and this is Casey's Kitchen. It's been a long day today. We made bacon, and bacon is a long process. We brined it for 8 days and then it spent 6.5 to 7 hours on the grill. And this is what I came up with. Fantastic. Smells great, looks great, tastes great. Now, I had this in the brine for about 8 days. Matter of fact, exactly 8 days. And we're going to use this to make bacon with. You can see the brine got all in there. I washed it really good because I don't want it over salty. I'm going to transfer it to my cutting board. Okay, I'm going to take some of this off. I think I'm going to use this portion for the bacon and this for the other dish. So what I'm going to do, let's see, I want 2 slabs. 1, 2, and I'll take about that much off. Now you need a sharp knife when you're doing this. Sharp knife, and you can see the way it looks. This is really nice. But I'm going to take a little bit of the fat off because I'm going to cook this a different way. Now for my pieces for the bacon. Now I'm going to cut it into manageable size pieces of bacon. Alright, that's going to be my bacon. Okay, it's coming in at 976 grams. Way off, but this will be a great piece of bacon. A little bit. What I'm going to do is put a little black pepper on this bacon. I just love black pepper. I don't know. I can't explain it. Yeah, I'm doing it. I put pepper on everything. I don't care what it is. I'd put pepper on ice cream, I think. Well, maybe not ice cream, but I would. That's my ground black pepper. Okay, I'm going to put this on. Now, what you didn't see in the video, I have a little pan of ice under here. That is to keep the bacon from getting too hot. So what I want to do is just get a lot of smoke on this. So we got a beautiful smoke. I got a mix of applewood and cherry. This is going to be phenomenal. 4 hours later, we'll see it. You ready? Put that right on. 4 hours later.
Onion. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Come on, we ready? See if our bacon looks beautiful. John, that's it. Alright. Alright, I'm going to wrap it up so I can stick it in the freezer. One, two, 3. Four. There we go. Four packs of homemade bacon. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm gonna get it ready and vacuum seal it. Cut it in half. Alright, I'm gonna cut this. I wanna taste these small pieces and see. Smells fantastic. Can I taste? We made some bacon. It took 8 days in the brine, rotated it every other day, and then today we put it in the smoker. It stayed on the smoker for about 8 hours. And I mean to tell you, smells great, looks great, tastes great. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy. This is a hard video, hard cook, but well worth the wait and the time. Get a chance, try it. You'll love it. Casey's Kitchen, out of here. Have a wonderful day. Not gonna cut. Too tender. Great size. So watch the way these come out. Gonna love this.